for layer 2 switches and excess layer switches, we have another attack which is called MAC flooding attack, which you can use to down the server, down the switch, down the devices, or to full the MAC address, and the switch will start broadcasting, and this way you will receive the packet because there is no more space in the memory to store the MAC addresses, because switch are storing the MAC addresses for limited time. And I show to you here, if I go there, okay, so this is called MAC flooding attack. You will fill up MAC table of switch, which I show you here. Let me go there and let's see. We can use this command make off, which is by default there in this command, and show them the interface, from which interface send the MAC. It will send fake MAC addresses basically. So I am here now, and switch, we have, this is MAC address, only 3 addresses are there, and all of them is dynamic. How many we can keep, this the entry which we can keep, and this is the aging time, 300 seconds. So what I need to do, from Kali Linux, we just simply need make of command and just say I means interface EH0, and you will send too much traffic here, and let me stop it, is enough. And if we check here, show MAC address table, look at, so we have too much here, control C, and let me see count. So how many in 2 seconds they send them? 9741. so if you run this attack for 2 minutes, it will fill up this one, and this switch, after that there is no space, so it will broadcast every packet like a DHCP, and then you will on here Wireshark, because DHCP like a broadcast, like a hub. So whenever it's reached there, definitely it will broadcast and you will receive every packet here. So you can use this method for 2 purposes. Either you want to down this switch to send huge traffic to make the CPU high and RAM high, so definitely device will stop working, which is like a DOS attack. Either you want to do this attack, so you can increase, so let me send some more, not this one. So basically sending fake MAC addresses, up arrow, and let me send 2-3 more seconds, because switch stop working if I run them for a long time. And if I check again, okay, so now it's 1205, and this way when it's reached to this one, after that it will stop as a unicast packet, and it will send every packet as a broadcast, because they have no more space here in MAC address table. This is called CAM table, either called MAC address table. CAM table content addressable memory, where they are storing all the detail, either MAC, which is, we know that MAC address, media access control list. So tomorrow we will discuss about how to protect such type of attack. For that purpose we are using port security. So we will discuss port security, 3 type of violation: shutdown, protect, and restrict. Then we will configure 3 different way: port security, static, dynamic, and sticky. And then we will discuss more stuff.